moment, and this is one of the best hotels around St Elizabeth. It's not actually directly on the beach, but it's very close to the beach, like literally a 10 minutes drive, and it's called Lashings Boutique. So we've had an enjoyable night stay here, and now we're going to be moving on to different places. So yeah, it's a must go. So if you can see outside, this is a good view that we wake up to this morning. See how fantastic the view is. It's a bright sunny day, no rain, clear skies, and we're actually going to be heading off to the beach or to Wireless Falls, so we're still deciding where we should be going today. So yeah, I'll keep videoing at our next venue.